Greetings and welcome back to Drew's office. On the vacation worksheet, if we choose a country to visit, we want all of these cells to populate automatically. The data will come from these worksheets down here, and each worksheet has a separate table of data. In this cell here, we need to create a drop-down list. Over to the Data tab and click on Data Validation. We can type our list directly in this box. In this cell, the list of countries is dependent on which continent is chosen. We're going to build the formula in our little work area. We can use the filter function. The array is the column that we want to filter and get the results from. Inside the countries table, we want to return the country column. But we only want to include the ones where the continent column is equal to this cell over here, give our little formula a test. Now we can create our data validation. Point to this cell here, and because we have multiple items, we can use the hash symbol. We can hide this column. To get the up-to-date exchange rate, we need to generate the correct currency code. We'll be traveling from the UK. We need a /. We want to grab the last 3 characters from the right, from this table here. We can use the filter function again. And the thing we want to filter is starting from the right. Inside the countries table, choose this column here and bring back 3 characters. Close off the brackets for the right function. And back inside the filter function, we only want to include the item where the country is equal to this cell here. Once we've created the currency code, we need to copy and paste the value without the formula. Now we can change it to a data type and extract the exchange rate from this button here. And when we choose a different country, we'll need to copy and paste the code again. The details for the flight will come from a table on our flights worksheet. Let's start with XLookup. Lookup value is the country, and we don't want this to change when we autofill. XLookup can find the country inside the destination column. The destination column needs to be an absolute cell reference, and we achieve that by using additional brackets and a colon. And when XLookup finds a match, we want it to return the value from this column. Autofill to the right, boom. Test it by choosing a different country again. We'll use the filter function to get the hotel information from our hotel table. For some of the countries, this will return multiple rows. And we want to filter the city column . But only include the ones where the country is equal to the chosen country. Autofill to the right, boom. The car rental information, we're only expecting one item to be returned. We'll use XLookup. And for the activities, it could return multiple results. We'll use the filter function again. Our first trip is to the USA, and we'll see all the data updates. And then we'll go to Canada and Jamaica. We'll update the exchange rate